Baby, I know you better.
Baby, I don't know better.
Baby, I know you
Baby, I
better.
know.
Baby, I know you better. Baby, I know you better. Baby, I know you better.
Baby, I know no better.
Hey guys, so happy new year. I'm at my friend's Courtney's house. Woke up feeling a little spontaneous, so we're gonna dye my hair blue. So far, we've boiled the water already. Got the dye, we mixed the dye. Here it is. We use, what is this called? Ions Color Brilliance Bright in the color Sky Blue. And then after that, we use Adore, this one, and it's for indigo blue, and it's the semi-permanent hair color. The hair is human hair. Got it from AliExpress. Shout out to Olivia because she sent it to me in 3 days. And yeah, so we're gonna see how that goes. I really hope this turns out well, or if not, then I just wasted like $200, but no big deal. Well, now wow, you look pretty.
I know.
Yeah, you do, look. Oh, it looks so...
Music.
Oh my god! She just put on her Google Home. I didn't even know it was working.
It's just a boat. Now I gotta open. It's just a ghost. Who put this shit together? I'm the glue. Someone said.
Like, where am I going?
My hand started hurting, so Kyla's taking over and finishing the plucking process for me because I thought I was done. And she was like, sweetie. Courtney's still working on her wig.
But look, like, I'm getting somewhere. She's starting to look real cute.
So I left after Courtney's house. I had forgotten to say that make sure you guys put heat protectant when you're straightening, obviously. And also I ended up using like a flat comb iron thing on it. So I can't find my got2b spray, so I am very, very frustrated. My voice is clearly gone, but now I have to do this the old school way. Wow, it looked like a condom. So, melting cap method. I just realized a really simple way to get past the problem is to cut a little hole on the inside and then loop your ear through it. So that way, this whole surface will lay flat. I'm doing this since I'm doing this the really old way. I mean, it's a longer method is basically what I'm saying, because since I don't have I have to use the got2b glue, which means this is gonna take a little longer. I hate watching people do it that method because I think it's dumb and it takes too long. I'm dumb, now I have to do it. And then you're gonna do the same thing on the other side. Alright, you pull that bit through like that. Now it's flat. This is gonna take so long without it. And I don't even have my blow dryer. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the glue. I'm just gonna put it on. Flat it is, like how we not having to worry. I have cut the lace. I don't know if I cut it to the right amount. This layer of like lifted lace that you see isn't supposed to be there. It's supposed to be gelled down with the got2b gel. I just want to try on the wig really quickly to see if it lines up to where I need it to. But I did not picture myself with the blue hair. What's up, guys? Day before my birthday. I just went to go get a piece put into my car. I drive safely, but yes, I should be having my seatbelt on. Don't be like me. Anywho, day before my birthday, I just got a piece placed into my car. I feel like I got gypped because I was expecting to only pay about $130 and I just spent $210. I'm gonna go meet up with my mom. I think she wants to get our nails done together. I haven't gotten nails done in my hometown in like forever. I always try to avoid doing so because I don't think they do the best job. We'll see how that goes. I just wanted to say hi. I just finished, I'm editing a video today, and it is a video of me and Nettie from the podcast that I always talk about, Nothing But Nettie. I just finished editing it. So now I have to go back and, look over, do some tweaks and stuff. It's a very formal, kind of like how my sister and I did the sister mukbang together. So I think you guys are gonna really enjoy it. I love listening to Nettie. I listen to her 23/7. I listen to her to sleep at this point. I love listening to her podcast. It gets me through the week. It gets me through my days. And I really think that you guys should take a look into it and listen to her shit. It's free and it's awesome. So go ahead and check that out. And then I will catch up with you guys really, really soon. Okay? Bye! Hey guys, so today's the day. It's my birthday. Not as eventful as I thought it'd be. Did some cleaning. It's about 1 o'clock and I got some chores to do. I've been wanting to get Ralph a jacket. So just trying to open this Amazon package that I've been wanting to open, but I wanted to clean up a little before I left for the day. And yeah, even with my bus scissors, this is, oh my god, it's so cute. It's even cuter. So the way I got this crown is that I got it with bobby pins. I'm gonna put down the name of it in the description box below, but it's very like forest princessy. So it's like I'm still a queen, but of like Mother Nature. So it's so cute. It's like the size of my head, so it's perfect. And the way I got it is for the bobby pins to go through, and it's pretty thick, pretty heavy. Here are the bobby pins. And like when I place it on, OTD. So I got this top. It's a bodysuit off the shoulder. It's from Forever 21. Gucci belt is Christmas present from my boss. Fashion Nova jeans. I don't remember where I got these boots, but I want to say they're from Charlotte Russe from like 2 years ago. They're thigh highs, but I kept them down low at the knees, and because they kind of will roll with the socks, and the socks are knee highs from Forever 21. All right, so I'm gonna head out. Guys, so my actual birthday ran astray. I got very distracted doing a bunch of like adult things. I didn't really get to celebrate. Ooh, you see the crown. I'm at Swell Taco waiting for my friends, and I just wanted to give you an update. Okay, bye.
Keep each other company.